Hello, Peace Seekers. This is Saniqua White popping in to give you a piece of my mind that will hopefully give you some peace of mind. Now, we've been talking about 13 reasons why your mind could be playing tricks on you, and today we're on number 8. Number 8 is because you don't have adequate problem solving skills. Your mind may be playing tricks on you because you don't know how to problem solve. Please stop thinking that the problem will just go away. Time does not heal all wounds. And just because you physically got out of a situation, you still walked away with your own mind, hopefully still intact, but all of your emotions and your mentality, the mindset, and everything else except the physical part of it goes with you wherever you go. So if you have been hurt spiritually, emotionally, mentally, sexually, physically, even though you have gotten out of the physical situation, you will still carry all the other things into the next phase of your life. So if you think that the problem is solved because you physically moved away from it, or maybe you physically grew up, if it's a parental issue, the problem isn't solved, and you will carry it with you. And if you don't resolve it, it'll just pop back up. You've seen people who live in kind of these cycles, like their life is just on repeat. It may be years or months or however long that goes by, but they keep doing the same thing over and over again, thinking that it's going to be different the next time. Or they may not even be thinking that it's going to be different. They may not be aware that it's not going to be different. They may just be in that rut or in that cycle. Maybe they think this is how life is and they have no clue of how to change it. Sometimes that's from feeling like you've gotten away from the problem, but you never resolved it. So your mind is going to play tricks on you, because this type of scenario causes people anxiety. It causes depression. You can have some trauma related symptoms from this. And if you continue to ignore it, the symptoms will likely get worse. I've seen clients who have these types of issues where they didn't solve a problem, a huge problem, or a small problem turned into a huge problem because they didn't solve it or resolve it. So the longer you go on, the longer you try to ignore it or pretend that it's not there, or think or believe that it's done because you've moved away or whatever, the bigger the problem gets. And it doesn't just stay in the area from which it came or started. It then snowballs into other areas of your life. Next thing you know, everything's in chaos. You have no idea how you got there, but sometimes it starts from just not solving problems or resolving issues. So this is what I want you to do. Get in the habit of looking at things head on in reality, and asking yourself whether or not this is a problem that still needs to be resolved, whether it is in the past or whether it is going right now in the current or present state of your life. You need to sit down and make a decision on whether this is something that really is fleeting, or is this a problem that's going to haunt me? Is this something that's going to carry on throughout my life? Do I need to solve it? I'm going to come back in a different video and go through a problem solving technique that I use with some of my clients who don't have the skills or just need to improve or increase their level of skill. But if you like this content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, comment. Like I said, I'll be back soon in a different video and give you some steps on how to start problem solving. Be proactive about your mental health. Be well and take care. God bless.